So here's our bathroom, y'all. You know, it's a small little room with a little sliding door for privacy. You walk in here, we have a full body. We have a desk, dresser, TV. That is a queen size bed or king. I think it's a king. And then pull out for Harper. And we are at the front side of the hotel on the 6th floor. And yeah, my car was just right there, but we have it in valet. But we are literally right down the street from the White House. Even though there's no tours available, we couldn't get any. We have our closet right here. And of course you can pull this down, the shade down for privacy. But y'all, tonight we're just gonna be chilling.
I got a scratch right here.
Okay, it's probably from jumping on a trampoline. I'll check it out. I didn't have any I didn't bring no band-aid with me. But tonight we're probably gonna be chilling. Now let me go somewhere so y'all can see my face. All right, tonight we don't have any plans. We're most likely gonna be chilling in the room, and we'll probably get some dinner, but we did eat on our way up here. So yeah, we have our cute little shirts that I made. I struggled. Do y'all see the D? Let me see if I can zoom. Look at this D on my shirt. Look at that. My heart is lifting up, but you get the concept. It had been a while since I've done cricket. So once EJ gets back up here, we're gonna take a picture of us in our shirts and stuff, and we're gonna chill out. So we made it to DC. Come and see what we did. We've made it outside. Our first full day in DC. We are walking towards Black Lives Matter Plaza. So now, let's see. Black Lives Matter Plaza Northwest. This is the St. Regis. And then there's the plaza right there.
So your daddy need to go to the Christian Science reading room.
The science of Christianity. We are all bundled up, as you can see. I also brought a mask for warmth. Yeah, I think he is there. But the flag is up.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever been this close to the White House.
I brought you right down here the same way. This is where you was taking your gloves off and putting them in your shirt.
I needed skin to skin. I didn't have good gloves. It was colder then though. That was February.
Yeah, this person's been out here for forever.
We're staying by all the sites, huh? Harper.
Doors opening. Step back. Allow customers to exit. When boarding,
What do you think about riding the subway?
Yeah,
First for both of us. Your daddy's probably been here.
one time. Harper, this is a big building though. You gonna see. It's nice on the inside. Look at the electric bikes, Harper.
I think it looked better than the White House.
Yeah.
We're inside the United States Capitol. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, look. Some statues out here. Harper, got your headset on. Harper.
Man, get that car.
I got it. Now we gotta go look. What are you laughing at, Harper? It's pretty cool walking up. Look at that. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Wow.
The room didn't always used to be so hot. That was the original height of this room under the first Capitol.
Wow.
Now the first Capitol dome, it's not very hot. They miscalculated the size of the room and 31 is left there. The meeting cannot be reached through more designs. So Coach Genie does the next best thing he can think of and submits his own designs to Congress. Congress rejects this. Congress will reject many artists over.
Ooh, look at that.
Your daddy wants a rotunda. Hey, Nancy Pelosi.
Speaker of the House. We're kneeling down with kente cloth on. No, she's not talking.
Let me do 0.5.
It does say that.
I love that. I love that. For this one is massive.
Jefferson Davis.
I didn't know he's from Mississippi.
And the house came it was in the shape of a building with large Parisian style skylights to the especially organizations to help the African American community, including the United Negro College Fund, National Council of Negro Women.
Mm-hmm. See how big this statue is?
That's why it's down here. Because of the weight. You can't go nowhere else.
But is this the one that was on the top or a replica?
Oh, wow.
Oh, okay.
They can't take it nowhere
I
else.
think it's the gold one. Hey, Sojourner Truth.
Suffragist. Abolitionist.
Oh yeah, there's a few pieces in here.
The heart of the American Republic is where we express our concerns and our passions. Our pride and where we lead our soul and our resolve. What about you?
What is that?
Oh, that's Hawaii. I think you can pick it up and listen. You gotta press the button.
From safe food and drugs to renewable energy. Veterans benefits.
Are they talking?
Privacy protection to healthcare. From workplace safety to the exploration of space.
Five. This is the reason why me and Daddy can vote today. Well, the pen used to sign the paper.
Speaker of the House.
Hey, EJ, look, the different Metro cards. Oh, yeah, I remember this one. The yellow one.
I don't remember that one. All I remember is number 4.
Hey, we have that.
They're both 4. They're all 4. Yeah, we have the bottom one, but that one probably doesn't work anymore like Daddy's.
Yeah. The Charlie cars.
Look at this Bible, Harper. King James Bible. That thing thick.
That's it. Hey.
And a
Civil. Okay.
What would you do if you experienced unfair work practices? Would you protest? Would you talk to somebody about it? Or would you run for office? Okay. Yeah. 25% said they would run for office. Can I touch this one? Oh, it's the same. Okay. That's pretty cool.
I'm gonna document it. Oh, this is what they use to vote.
All right, Harper, that's enough. Come on.
Senate.
Senators, even those with well-known philosophical differences, often form strong friendships. Working closely together on several committee assignments, members develop expertise across a range of issues,
Harper thinks he's doing something.
gain an understanding of each other's specialties.
TikTok. This is actually right.
Mm-hmm.
In this relatively small group, a single senator can have significant influence on the legislative outcome.
Wow.
Don't touch the other one.
Lead the people of the United States in order to form a more perfect union. All right.
Right here.
I had to remember that when I was in like 6th grade or 7th grade by heart.
Oh, what's this? The nation state.
What's that clause?
It's the Lincoln Catafalque. Yo, it was constructed to support the casket of Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah, we're not even reading
Because I can read it.
it. You can't read.
She chose the black lady. I love that for you, Harper.
All right. Come on.
These Harper
Originals of what?
tiles that were in the Capitol.
What's this say?
It's in Braille. So it says this. So there are people who can't see. They can still read it by touch.
It says the Capitol Dome ceiling murals are better known, but some.
DJ trying to read so fast. Oh, that's a door handle. That's the door handle right there, Harper. The snakes. Right there. Yeah. Hey, we saw the real live versions of these.
That was just little.
Look at this, Harper. We're inside here.
It's like a tiny place.
Oh, this shows what it looks like today, Harper. Yeah, this is what it looks like now. Where's the building that we're in? Where is it? You see it?
Yeah, and
That's the building that we're in. Where's the White House?
Right there. All the way over there.
In the back, number 3. Let's see.
They're right there.
Yeah.
Or no? Yeah. We'll stand on this side.
No, it's lowering it so you can reach it. Giving your speech. Let me take a picture. It's a picture. Making an impression.
You can keep the paper.
Yeah, like white Harper. If you do like that, and then do another one. Hold on. See it like that. Yeah, keep going though. Oh, is this?
Supposed to slide it.
No, it like flew off.
Yeah, there you go. That's where we used to get a lot of food from when I worked at NYU.
Harper's first.
In a quarter mile, make a right turn on 14th Street Northwest.
You don't want her to give away our table? Oh, she's in the bathroom. It's just small. And pizza, one of my favorite spots in the district.
The only thing about these socks, I mean with no socks, is my ankles is cold now. Cause you know I don't tie my joints up tight.
Harper, this is gonna be the best pizza you ever had.
That
If you was one. Go ahead. It's hot. Ooh, look at that.
What's the sauce on there? I didn't know that.
Pesto. Just a finisher. You like pesto? I've made stuff with pesto before. It's hot. Sorry. You're dropping the.
Alright, let's get out of here. You can eat it at home. It's gonna be hot. It's only 10 minutes up the street. Took longer to drive here with Naja. I know she was gone.